Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is based on my new home-based business. Also, is going to be my retirement income, along with my YouTube, which is what you're watching right now, and my stocks. So between those three items, or three baskets, as we like to call it in home-based or investing, should I say. This is one that I've gotten into because I've been investing in this commodity. And what commodity am I talking about? It is cannabis, or cannabis oil, or hemp. I am a consultant or distributor or dealer with HempWorks. It is a full spectrum hemp oil which is grown in Kentucky farms. So it's right here, USA. And they CO2 it and which locks in all the purities, which is fantastic when it comes to making sure you're getting the most out of the plant. HempWorks products are made from industrial hemp plants grown in Kentucky. Cannabis oil, or CBD, a constituent that naturally occurs in industrial hemp. Is just one of 85 cannabinoids that is identified in the cannabis plant. Our oil is CO2 extracted, resulting in a solvent-free pure extract. And got to make sure that clarify the FDA and legal disclaimer. These statements have not been evaluated by the FDA and are not intended for diagnosis, treatment, cure, or prevention or prevent any disease. Most workplace drug screens and tests target for Delta 9 tetrahydrocannabinol, or THC. That's where your legal situation with pot come from, is the THC content, and do not detect the presence of cannabinoid, or the CBD. Or other legal, natural hemp-based constituents. Even though our products contain less than 0.3% THC by dry weight, which is the federal legal limit, studies have shown that ingesting full spectrum CBD can cause confirmed positive results when screening urine and blood specimens. Accordingly, if you are subject to any form of employment, drug testing, or screening, we recommend, and so does the United States Armed Forces, and that was as of the 80s, they started freaking drug testing. I know, that you do not take this product, but they have a 0 THC product. Before taking this product, consult your healthcare practitioner, drug screening testing company, or employer. This website requires you to also be at least 18 years or older to purchase this product. Okay. Cannabinoid or CBD is a naturally occurring constituent of the industrial hemp plant. Mydaily Choice / HempWorks does not sell or distribute any product that are in violation of the United States Controlled Substance Act, or the U.S. CSA. This company does sell and distribute hemp-based products. Okay, so basically it comes down to your THC level and the full spectrum of it, not including the stuff that is 0. They've got a product which I just purchased, which has got 0, because I don't need that. We do random drug tests where I work, so that spectrum is 0.3%. Okay, so or 0%, which they have. So you're there. Just a quick history of hemp, which I really didn't know. Hemp has a very vast history that cannot go unnoticed. We're very excited to be the forefront of what we believe is the most valuable commodity to mankind. And it will be. Again, it was, from what I'm seeing in history. And then the government just shut it down. Okay? I guess they got involved with beer and alcohol and all that. They forgot all about the regulating the hemp and marijuana and stuff like that. But the very first American flag was made from hemp. Go figure. George Washington and Thomas Jefferson both grew hemp. Our president and the initial writer of the Declaration of Independence. Ben Franklin made hemp paper. Wow. And this one just blew me away because of Thomas Jefferson. The Declaration of Independence was drafted on hemp. Hemp was used as rope. Well, I kind of knew that, but I didn't get the full spectrum of what hemp was. Hemp was used as rope for ships and was a required crop in the American colonies. Hemp has been grown for the last 12,000 years. So it was a 12,000-year-old plant. Hemp was used as money in the 1800s. You used to be jailed for not growing hemp. And you can make over 25,000 products with hemp. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, so that was a little bit of a history class on hemp. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, take a look at this, see what you think. See if it isn't, I consider it the new miracle pain relief, whether it's physical or financial. Take a look.